Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville Oracle Touch with us in the shop. And I came in because the customer did some recent work on the machine, mainly replacing the gaskets on the boiler, the steam boiler, because they often leak after about a year or two of using the machine regularly. So he went in there, replaced them. When he put it back together, turned on the machine, there was no water coming out of the group head and out of the hot water spout. Group head water and the hot water spout are actually the same boiler, so that would be the brew boiler that's right here, a really small one, and then the steam boiler is just a dedicated steam boiler off to the side. So there's probably just some clogging within the pipes, because I did take some of the pipes off, look at them. When I put them back on, however, it started working. So there might be either something inside of the boiler that isn't scale, or we cleaned it out with our cleaning. What we pretty much did on this machine is a tune-up. We descaled the machine, both boilers. Took a while because it is two boilers, and you have to kind of go through Breville's process of doing it. Takes around 40 minutes per cycle. We usually do more than one, do two or three. After that, we replaced, clean around the group head. There's a lot of damage at the group head, stuff that you can't scrape off, more so burnt plastic behind the shower screen, which is very uncommon for these machines, but I did see it on this one, so I did not clean that, but I did clean around the wedges and replace it with a brand new gasket, clean the shower screen, clean the plate. Also, I went in there and some of the O-rings I'm not really a fan of that were on the steam boiler. Like this one's kind of skinny. It's going to be a little bit hard to see, but we did use chunkier silicone ones. Just replace a few here and there. And yeah, that's about it. And so we're going to test the machine by getting our portafilter. We're going to grind some coffee. And the coffee we're going to be using is just our test coffee that we use for every other video. I will say, if you do run into clogging issues with this machine, you do have limited warranty. I don't know if it's more so something inside of the boiler that's clogging, or if it's a piece of scale that we finally got out. Again, unsure. I did test the solenoid valves. I tested all the wiring. It looks good. Everything looks great in there. Sometimes it is just the solenoid valves that are just giving out, but usually you can read that with a multimeter. So we're gonna take this out. Put this in. Since we got that new gasket, it's gonna lock nice and tight, and we're gonna brew a double. You're gonna get a few seconds of pre-infusion, which is about 8 seconds-ish, and then you're gonna hear that pump ramp up right there. And now it's gonna start brewing. We have it on a semi-coarse setting, so you might not see a lot of crema on there, but perfectly fine. You could go more finer when you take it back. I'm just doing this for the testing purposes. We did clean the steam one also. I did soak this for a few hours just in some solution to help get all that milk, because a lot of milk gets burnt at the tip. Oh, just to test the hot water function in case you wanted to make Americano. Working fine. Alright, now we're going to test just the steam. We're just going to hit this, turn it on. It's usually, there's a temperature sensor there. It's looking for milk, but since there isn't any, it's just going to run it for a little bit. So yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video and any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.